Good morning, student. Welcome to our online classes. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 6, square and square root. Okay, so here square, this word, you are familiar with this word when we talk about the quadrilateral. So one shape is coming to us, that a figure whose all sides are equal and whose all angles are equal to 90 degree is known as a square. Okay, and when we want to find the area of this square, we will use the formula side into side. Suppose here the side of this square is 2 unit. What? 2 unit. So we want to find the area. So we multiply 2 into 2 and we will get 4 square unit, right? So when from this we can say that the product of a number with itself is known as a square, okay. So here now the topic is square of a number. What? Square of a number. So the product of a number with itself is known as square. Example, 4 square. That I have written a 4. On the index I have written 2. So when there is a index is 2, it is known as square. What? Square. So here we want to find the 4 square. It means square of 4 we have to find. If I write 3 index 2, so it will become square of 3. This 2 means square. Understood, beta? This 2 means square. So here if I want to find the square of 4, so I will write 4 square is equal to 4 multiplied by 4, and 4 4s are 16. Like this way we can find the square of other numbers too. Now properties of square. So what are the properties? Property means quality. Okay. So a number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. If any number is ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, so that number may or may not be a square of any number. Okay. Why? See here, if you see that we are finding the square of 1, answer is coming 1. If we are finding the square of 2, answer is coming 4. 3, 9 and 4, 16, like that. So here this is the ending number. Here is 6, here is 9, here is 4, then 1. So if number is ending with 1, 4, 9, 16, 5 or double 0. What? Double 0, not the single 0. Okay. So that number may be a square of any number. Understood? But if your number is ending with 2, 3, 7 and 8. What? 2, 3, 7 and 8. So they are not a perfect square. Directly we can say that they are not a square of any number. Why? Because they are ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So you always remember, if your number is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, so they will not a square of any number. If number ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, so they may or may not be a square of any number. Okay. Suppose if a number ends with 1 or 9, so a square of this number will ends with 1. How? See here. Square of 1 into 1, 1. When we find the square of 9, 81. You can see there that in the last digit of this number square 1 is coming. So if your number having 1 or 9 at the unit place, then their square having 1 in their unit place. Okay. In similar way, when a number ends with 3 or 7, okay, if a number having 3 in unit place and square ends with 9, and if you having 7 in unit place, then again square number ends with 9. Understood? So if your number having 3 or 7 in the unit place, so the square number will having 9 at its unit place. Okay. In similar way, if you having 2 or 8 unit place, then your square number ends with 4. 8 8 is 64. Understood? If your number ending with a 2 or 8, then its square number will ends with 4 and 4. Okay. So I am giving you homework to write the square from 1 to 20 number, 1 to 20, and learn it by heart. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, now question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, now question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral